How to save answered questions in QANDA. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, scan or type a question and view the solution provided by the app. Once the solution is displayed, look for the save or bookmark icon usually located near the top or bottom of the answer screen. Tap on the save icon to add the question and its solution to your saved question list. You can access all your saved questions anytime by going to the saved or bookmark section in the app. This feature allows you to revisit important questions, practice them again, and track your learning progress. Saving answered questions is especially useful for revision before exams, preparing for tests, or reviewing difficult problems. Now you know how to save answered questions in QANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.